In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Outlook. Email templates let you save messages you send frequently, so you can reuse them without rewriting the same content. This feature is incredibly useful for streamlining your communication, especially if you often send similar emails. First, let's start with the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Open Outlook on your computer or browser. You'll see a clean interface waiting for you to begin. This is your starting point for creating an email template. It's important to ensure you're in the right version of Outlook, as the steps vary slightly. Next, click on the option that says New Mail. This will open a new email window where you can craft your message. Here you can enter the subject line, add recipients, and format your email just the way you want it. Make sure to include any attachments you might need, as everything you do here will be saved in the template. Now compose your email. Think about the content you want to save, including greetings, body text, and any specific closing remarks. This is where you can really personalize your template. Once you're satisfied with your message, you're ready to save it. This step is crucial because it allows you to quickly send this email again in the future without starting from scratch. On the Message tab, look for the Mail Templates option, click on it, and then select Save Email as Template. This action will prompt a new dialog box to appear, guiding you through the next steps. It's reassuring to know that you're just a few clicks away from having a reusable email at your fingertips. Enter a name for the template that you will easily recognize later. This could be something like Weekly Update or Client Follow-up. Choose a name that makes sense for the type of messages you send. A clear naming system helps keep your templates organized and easy to find when you need them. After naming your template, click Save. This action finalizes the creation of your email template. You can now access it anytime you need to send that same message again. It's always a good feeling to know that you've just simplified your future email tasks. Now, let's switch gears and discuss the classic Outlook for Windows. Open Outlook as you did before. The interface will look different, but the functionality remains similar. Click on New Email to start composing your message. Once you've opened the new email window, take a moment to compose your email just as you did in the newer version. This includes adding recipients, formatting, and any content you want to save. Remember, the more detailed you are now, the more useful your template will be later. Next, click on File in the upper left corner of the window. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Save As. In the Save As type section, you will see a list of formats. Choose Outlook Template, which is denoted as SFTMF. This step is vital because saving it in the correct format ensures that your template will function properly. Enter a name for your template, similar to what you did earlier. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify it easily in the future. A good naming convention can save you time and frustration when searching for your templates later on. Finally, click Save. Your template is now created and stored on your computer. You can access it anytime by navigating to the appropriate folder. With your template ready, you can quickly send tailored emails without the hassle of redoing everything from scratch. In summary, creating templates in Outlook, whether in the new version or classic version, saves you time and effort. You can now communicate more efficiently with your contacts. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!